Hi, this is David Marsh with eminitradingstrategies.com. In this video, we'll talk about our futures day trading course today for October 12th, 2010. Had a nice one and done day. Let me show you our NSE chart right here. We were in no zone pre-market. Opening bell, nice short trade coming out of no zone. Beautiful one and done within 2 minutes of the opening bell. Had a pullback trade. Some did actually miss that trade. We then had a pullback trade, which I believe almost everybody got filled on, and another good one and done there. Now, let's just go a bit further. Over here is my long-term chart. Pretty good morning for those that like to trade long-term. Last week we talked about futures trading with my system by just utilizing the long-term filter chart. You can see we had some very nice moves down followed by some very nice moves up, so pretty good day doing that as well here. Now we do have a long normal system entry, only moved about 3 ticks in our favor and then turned right around. We would have reversed if for some reason you missed this trade, and maybe you missed this trade. Okay, there is a long trade here that you wouldn't have missed that would have been a losing trade. Would have lost only about 3 ticks, give or take, maybe 4 most. But the good thing about this trade right here is that the long-term indicator goes short right about right here. So you can definitely drag this down and try to take more profit off that trade as well. End up being a really good trade. So either jumped in, made a quick point, and maybe grabbed the pullback trade and stayed in longer because of that, or just stayed in the NSE and said, well, long-term indicator just went short, let me ride this down and take some more money. This is a recovery trade right here. So either you were in this trade and you lost, or you're learning my system, or you're learning how to make more than 1 point, 2 points a day. This trade right here, even though it's a standard NSE, meaning it's not an NSE coming out of no zone, so it's not considered a high probability trade, at least when it's signaled. Right around here, when the long term went short, the long term filter went short, that definitely turned it into a high probability trade. So if you weren't in this trade, or you were and you got filled and you jumped up with a quick profit, you definitely jumped into the pullback trade and followed it down for a beautiful ride down. So really good day today. For the most part, we had that one and done right here. Some grabbed the pullback trade. I just wanted to show how, again, the long-term filter lets you take a trade, and even though we have a loser, right, we take losing trades. We had a great trade here, becomes a high probability trade because of the long-term filter, and runs down several points. So awesome day. So thanks again for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us at info@eminitradingstrategies.com with any questions you have about futures trading or day trading in general, or anything else for that matter. Thanks again for watching.